Good afternoon, everybody. This is Titanium Institute, and it's the advanced class. And today we are discussing the hijab controversy with four enterprising young men and women of India. So I'll start with Kushal. Kushal, what are your opinions on the hijab?
Actually, I'm the fancy sir. I neither support the Hindu favor and neither support the Muslim favor. But I can tell their perspective why Muslim wants to support hijab, because they want to promote and undeniably they are this is their culture and they don't want to abandon it. And
They don't want to abandon it.
that's what Muslim is saying, that why they don't want to abandon hijab. And on other side, why Hindu wants to change this hijab topic, because they are saying that from some of their family members are forcing them to wearing hijab like deliberately. The women don't want to wear hijab, but they are forcing or forcing them to wearing hijab or this.
So my question is, if they are being coerced or forced by their parents, where do you stand in that equation? Do you support the hijab, or you want to see these girls free?
Okay. Yeah. So if they are coercing, then I'm not with them.
Okay.
But if women are wanted by themselves, like they are comfortable, then I'm with them. But and what we can do about those people who are just coercing? So my opinion or my personal opinion in this phase will be that right now they should aspire for hijab right now. Like they can, we cannot do about anything about our family not dogmatic.
Yeah, it's quite dogmatic. You can use that word.
But yeah, we cannot do about anything of those people who are just forcing them. So what we should do, we should aspire for hijab for quite a few years, and these women will of course get knowledge, and in future they'll not force their children to wear hijab.
Fantastic.
Like if we
Their coming generations will not be forced.
and India will be ban hijab, then I don't think so that parents will make their daughters study.
Okay. Oh. Oh, God, that's a very good claim, by the way. So, so you are saying that if hijab is banned in India, then Muslims
Will not get study.
will not allow their daughters to even study. They'll be that hell-bent.
Study how they will.
So, they'll be that hell-bent to follow their grand old doctrines that they'll be ready to completely abandon the education and persevere with this hijab system. That is what your opinion is, right? So, Puran, what do you think? What do you think of hijab in general?
Yeah, as far as I know, the matter was of a school where they banned hijabs in the school. And yeah, till a certain level, I agree that it should be done, because school is all about equality. Like if you are going in a school, everyone should like look equal. Like no one should look he's from another caste or another religion, or he's rich or he's poor. So as far as I have learned from my teachers, that everyone is equal in a school, for a teacher and like everyone, okay, for all the students. So in order to like persevere with these things, I think they banned hijab. Okay, and I think it was fine to ban hijab in order to made everyone equal. Okay, but the thing Hindus did, and like they protested outside of the school. It is none of their business.
Alright.
Okay, they shouldn't be protesting outside of the schools, like don't wear hijabs in schools and something like that. Okay, so and yeah, okay, and so if schools are banning hijabs, then I think they shouldn't protest against it. Like they should just wear the school dress, however it is.
Simple.
Yeah, because the Hindus aren't protesting; they aren't going with the saris and
The tilaks.
the tilaks and safas or caps, they aren't going with it, na. So no one should be offended with the thing that everyone is equal in the school. So that's what they did, that you can't wear hijab. Neither I don't think they said that you can wear sari and not wear a hijab.
Absolutely not, yeah.
So this wasn't a kind of discrimination. All they said was that you can't wear hijab, neither like anyone can wear their religion's things or anything. They just have to be equal in a school. That's my opinion is, and like this thing was a very simple and sorted. But the people of Hindus and Muslims made it a very big controversy.
Fantastic.
So I don't know that why they did this whole thing. So this is what I think.
So you are saying they made a mountain out of a mole.
Yeah, you're right.
So there's a great discrepancy between Kushal's and Puran's opinions. How about you, Nupur?
According to my point of view, India is the country that variety of culture, tradition, religious. So people will socially integrated as much as possible, and they live together with unity and harmony. So in schools and colleges, people should not be promoted their religious culture, traditions, just like burkha, pagdi, bhagwa, all of things. So no gender discrimination in schools.
That's what you think.
So in my point of view, hijab should be banned in colleges, schools, and bureaucracy.
What is the reason behind it? Why do you think that they should be banned?
Because everyone is equal in law.
Fantastic.
So why they are promote their religious culture
Hmm.
in a school?
Fantastic. So it was quite short, but yes, it was on the point. I appreciated that. Bhumika, what do you think?
First of all, I like to clear that I'm not rooting against any of the fate. I'm just trying my level best to color the entire vision which is clouded. So my spin towards hijab is, I reckon that we are Indians and we are free to wear whatever we want to wear. But not in the school and colleges.
All right.
Because in school and colleges we learn about equality. It attributes equality amongst all the students,
Right.
and wearing hijab, pagdi and tilaks are against the fundamental of school.
Against the fundamentals of school. Fantastic. Against the fundamentals of our basic education, yes.
Yes. Because schools are usually uniform centric, and the uniform are the be all and end all of school and institute, coaching institute and everywhere. So
that's what you think? That
because
it's only fair to ban them.
not ban them, but in the particular areas where, in the particular location like school, colleges,
They should be banned.
because
Actually,
there,
they should not be promoted.
because all those places we learn equality from them in blood and flesh.
Fantastic, yes.
So that's what I gather.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this was a small section from our class. I hope you liked it. Thank you.